Hi, I'm Ruby, and it's garden time again. You might have been expecting Lee, but he is such old news. There's a new sheriff in town, and it's me. It's been a really wet year with lots of rain, and that has really set us back in getting the garden planted. Many of our usual vegetables will be coming here in a few weeks, but we do have some things that are starting to be ready. The green beans are coming, and we should have lots of tomatoes. In addition, the rhubarb had a pretty good spring and is coming along nicely. We also have some popcorn that we grew last year. Did you know that it takes about 4 months for it to dry enough to pop? Who knew? As always, feel free to take what you can use. Any donations go to BGMC. Our table will be set up in the lobby, and I look forward to seeing you there. Sometimes I might even let Lee help me. He's been a pretty good teacher. I suppose I'll keep him around for a while. See you at the service.